Well, as seen what's going on in the car world, we have the EICMA, which, if you didn't know, is the International Motorcycle and Accessories Exhibition over in Italy, which I guess you're going to basically call it the, SEMA of bikes. And the fun thing that they're doing is the Race of Champions or something like whatever they want to call it. And Jonathan Ray switching over to Yamaha, obviously this year, racing in WSBK, apparently has won a charity race. So it's not anything huge, not like some big title or whatever, but it's still kind of cool to see, him switch over to this brand. And now this is like an on off road dirt bike race. There's a bunch of people. Let's see here. Casey Stoner, Stefan Everts, Troy Bayliss. There's a whole bunch of people. Daniel Petrucci, obviously Jonathan Ray too. And it's just kind of a funny, like, here it is. It's 16 manufacturers will compete in with 16 maxi enduro crossovers in the ultimate battle for supremacy on the track and in the market. So obviously you're gonna have all of the Kawasaki's, Yamahas, Suzuki's, blah blah blah, all the big brands racing with people who have big names attached to them. And it's kind of just a cool charity thing, but it is nice to see Yamaha out front winning. And it's one of those stupid things too that something like this, obviously, the last year he had on, or last year in WSBK wasn't exactly the best year ever for him, especially. And you gotta say something stupid like this that proves you can still win, even if it is something that's not a super competitive race. Might be just that little bit of a confidence booster, or or it's just say, hey, it's a fun thing. But I don't know. You guys tell me. Does this type kind of interest you, like the SEMA stuff, the big trade shows where it's just a bunch of builds and everything you can go around and look, or do you just not care at all? But whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe to all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.